Yo, Merry Christmas, Radish here. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, you probably noticed that the quality of the video got a little boost. Nothing fancy, just a little upgrade. Today we're unwrapping something special. And no, it's not just another present under the tree. But before I show you what new stuff I got, let me take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you. Whether you've been part of this community since the beginning, or you've just clicked that subscribe button, your support means the world, especially on this festive day. Now, without dragging it out, let me show you this early Christmas present and what it brings to the table. As you can see from my fast walk, I was really excited the day I got the package. Remember when I said it takes a long ass time for the desk to go up or down? I wasn't joking. After getting 100 meters of packing paper out, I was finally able to get these beauties out. Now, let me introduce this bad boy, the Amaran 60DS. It's a cob light, and I'll be using it as my main light source, which will surely step up the production quality of my videos. The Amaran 60DS is known for its incredible color accuracy, which means you'll see every detail in its truest form. No more worrying about weird color cast or inaccurate skin tones. But that's not all. This light is not only powerful, but also adjustable. With a simple turn of the knob, I can control the brightness, giving me the flexibility to create the perfect lighting for any situation. And to complement this, I've also got the Light Dome Mini SE softbox. This beauty is going to diffuse the light, providing a soft, flattering glow that will make everything look more cinematic. After figuring out how the softbox works, let's put it all together. I also got this cheap light stand that is apparently pretty good. We'll see. So, the stand is set, COB light is on, and for now, let's just test the reflector that comes in the kit. As you can see, it's like turning on a small sun, but notice how hard the light is. Next, let's set up the softbox. This is pretty straightforward and it comes with everything you need. Okay, moment of truth. And as you can see, the light is softer and way nicer. Now, let's look at the before and after. And this is using only the reflector that comes in the kit. That really hurt. I also got an LED strip that I placed on the side of the desk. You know, why not? Now, with these new tools at my disposal, I can't wait to bring you even more engaging and polished content. From in-depth tutorials to entertaining vlogs to videos like this one, the possibilities are endless. But what's coming up specifically? Well, I've got plans to take you on a journey with me. I'll be visiting the offices of the company that I'm working for the first time ever. I can't wait to meet some cool colleagues in person and share that experience with you. I'll be diving into the coding tools that I use daily, offering you a glimpse into my workflow and showcasing how these tech essentials contribute to the final code that makes its way into production. Ever curious how I, as a software developer, manage money and handle compensation? I'll be pulling back the curtain on that too. And for those of you who enjoy a challenge, get ready for some lead code problems. I'll be tackling coding challenges and sharing my thought process along the way. So yeah, 2024 will be a cool year. But before we wrap up this last video of the year, I want to hear from you. What kind of videos are you most excited to see with the upgraded setup? Drop your suggestions in the comments below, and let's try to hit 1000 subscribers by the end of next year. By the way, if you didn't catch my last video, it unfortunately got buried by the YouTube algorithm. I tackled some really cool questions from you guys, so make sure to give it a watch. Once again, I want to thank you for being part of this community. Your support is what really makes this worth it. From my studio to wherever you're watching, Merry Christmas, and here's to an amazing year ahead. Radish out.